Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just want to talk to you guys about this coronavirus and how I see it affecting the market and the real estate world right now. So right now, I see it really busy. It really hasn't changed much. As a matter of fact, it's actually gotten slightly busier from people that are a little bit nervous that are wanting to put their homes on the market. And then of course, buyers that are out there, there's a few people that are a little bit nervous that they're kind of just waiting to see, delayed their purchase slightly, but it really hasn't affected much. But it's also brought more people to the market than we had that are saying, look, interest rates right now are as low as we've seen them in like history. So they are jumping on board right now saying, let's go ahead and buy a house, because again, rates are so low right now that, why not? So I'm seeing that right now. I am seeing that people, like I said, they're not afraid of what's going on. I think partly because, this is on a real estate purchase is, a 30-year deal for somebody. And most people expect, which why wouldn't you, that it's going to be done here in whatever, 30 days or 6 months or whatever. It's a short-term thing overall, that they're really not being affected by it much, saying, I'm looking at a long-term purchase here, so let's move forward and get this done. So that's what I'm seeing right now. So like I said, just want to make a video about that. I'm seeing people not panicking, moving forward with their purchase, moving forward with the sale of their homes. So like I said, it really hasn't changed much at all. As a matter of fact, I'm just getting ready to get this listed. I stopped by here to put a lockbox on and get it on the market. But I'm seeing in this lower price point that this one will be listed at $225,000, that we're seeing multiple offers on these properties. And again, this one will probably be no different. I'm sure I'll have it on the market tomorrow, and I would assume that we're going to get multiple offers from it, and I have a bidding war potentially. And this is what I'm seeing in the Phoenix market. This isn't necessarily all over the US right now. This is Phoenix, because we're such low inventory here. So that, like I said, that's really what I'm seeing here, is just such low inventory here. We're like a little over 9,000 houses on the market, that with that low of inventory, people are fighting for houses because we just don't have enough places for people to live here. So again, if you're looking to buy or sell or even do investment stuff right now is a great time, because there are a few people that are a little nervous about this coronavirus, and they are putting their houses on the market and trying to get out of stuff that they wouldn't have in the past, or they're maybe a little nervous. So hopefully we'll be able to pick up a few more deals on the investment side that we can flip and make some money on them. But like I said, I'm just as busy here, like I said, getting multiple offers on properties that are in the lower price points. So I'll kind of show you guys around in this house here too, just because I'm here. Like I said, I think it's a great time to buy right now. So this is a house. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house. I'll show you around here too. This is the kitchen. Just got the granite installed. Backyard here. So it's got a little garage here. Nice little covered patio. They're working on the tile for the backsplash here. Just getting ready to get that going. There's a laundry room here, and then there's 1 bedroom right here. And we'll go down the hall here. So there's another bedroom here. This bathroom. So this is another bedroom, master bedroom actually. And then the master bathroom. So yeah, I wouldn't be scared on buying real estate or selling real estate right now. I think you're good to go. I said this is a long-term investment. It's just kind of like the stock market too. It's going to bounce back. Obviously, the stock market's really gotten hit, but I don't see real estate getting hit in prices, especially here in the Phoenix area. Like I said, we're such low inventory here that we're not really going to see that issue. We're not going to see, low prices. People ask me, oh, are we going to see 50% drop in prices? I definitely don't see that happening. And there's nothing like what happened in the past. In the past, we had the mortgage issues, and now we don't have the mortgage issues. So that's not really the reason that the market would be slowing down or anything. We don't have bad mortgages. As a matter of fact, the mortgage companies that I'm talking to are saying they are the busiest they have ever been. I talked to Fairway Mortgage the other day, and they said that typically there's around $2 trillion worth of real estate transactions done every year. In the last 30 days, they've had about $1.73 trillion in refinances and purchases. So in 30 days, they're doing what they've done in typically a 12-month period. So it just goes to show you how busy it is right now. Like I said, there's not really any issue on that side of it. Like I said, they're busier than ever. They can't even keep up with volume because it is so busy, because rates are so low right now that they're refinancing properties, they're purchasing properties, taking advantage of this, because this isn't a mortgage crisis like we had back in 2008. This is obviously something totally different. Now, nobody knows exactly what's going to happen from it. But if you look at what's happened in China and other countries like that, where they're actually getting better at this point in time, they're seeing this coronavirus getting better, that it's not really affecting long term there. We assume that the same thing here. Within the next few months, this is going to clear and we're going to be good to go. So I hope that helps clear up some stuff for you. Gave you a quick little tour of the property. Give us a thumbs up. Also, let us know your comments below. What do you think is going to happen with the real estate market here in the next few months from this coronavirus? Love to see what you guys think, and be curious to see what happens over the next few months. So again, make it a great day, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you so very much for watching.